Greetings, space enthusiasts. Today we're launching into a spectacular journey that defies gravity, space travel. Picture this: the roar of rocket engines, the suspense as countdown reaches zero, and the exhilarating rush as we break free from Earth's atmosphere. We're delving into the marvels and challenges of traversing the cosmos, from the pillars of space travel, our rockets and spaceships, to the future that awaits us among the stars. Strap in as we prepare for a journey that takes us beyond the confines of our planet. The journey to the stars begins with a mighty force, the rocket. Rockets, in their many forms, are the engines of our exploration, the workhorses that bear the brunt of Earth's gravity to propel us into the cosmos. You might wonder, what makes a rocket a rocket? At their core, all rockets work on a principle called Newton's third law of motion. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. Simply put, they throw stuff, usually hot gases, out one end, and the rocket goes the other way. It's this forceful expulsion that propels a rocket skyward. Now, not all rockets are created equal. There are liquid rockets, solid rockets, and even hybrid rockets. Liquid rockets, like those used in the space shuttle, use liquid fuel and an oxidizer. These types are efficient and can be controlled by changing the flow of fuel. Solid rockets, on the other hand, use a single piece of solid propellant. They're simpler and cheaper, but can't be controlled once lit. Hybrid rockets, as you might guess, combine elements of both, offering a balance of control and cost. Rockets have played a pivotal role in space travel. The Saturn V, the tallest, heaviest, and most powerful rocket ever produced, carried astronauts to the moon in the Apollo missions. The Space Shuttle, with its reusable solid rocket boosters, ferried crew and cargo to the International Space Station for over 30 years. Today we're witnessing a new era of rockets. Companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are developing reusable rockets aiming to drastically reduce the cost of space travel. SpaceX's Falcon 9, for instance, has already made numerous trips to space and back, landing vertically on its return. And let's not forget about the future. Rockets like NASA's Space Launch System and SpaceX's Starship are being developed to carry humans to Mars and beyond. They're bigger, more powerful, and more advanced than anything we've seen before. These mighty machines are our tickets to the cosmos, propelling us beyond the Earth's atmosphere. They are the pillars of space travel, the first step in our journey to the stars. Once the rockets have done their job, it's time for spaceships to take the reins. Just like our homes on Earth, these cosmic vessels house astronauts, their supplies, and even their scientific experiments. But these are no ordinary homes. These are our caravans in the cosmos. Spaceships come in all shapes and sizes, each designed with a specific purpose in mind. The International Space Station, or ISS for instance, is a behemoth of a spaceship the size of a football field orbiting our planet. It's a floating laboratory where astronauts live and work for months at a time, conducting research that helps us understand life in space. On the smaller side, we have the crewed capsules like SpaceX's Dragon and Boeing's Starliner. These spacecraft are designed to ferry astronauts to and from the ISS. And let's not forget the rovers, like NASA's Perseverance, that serve as our eyes and hands on distant planets, helping us explore landscapes millions of miles away. Then there are the probes, like Voyager and New Horizons, which journey to the outer reaches of our solar system and beyond. These silent explorers have given us our first looks at Jupiter's Great Red Spot, Saturn's majestic rings, and even the icy heart of Pluto. But the real magic of these spaceships lies not just in their designs or destinations, but in their purpose. They are the vessels that carry our curiosity, our ambition, and our spirit of exploration. Whether it's a rover trundling across the red sands of Mars, a space station orbiting our blue planet, or a probe venturing into the icy darkness beyond Neptune, these spaceships are extensions of us, reaching out into the cosmos. These cosmic caravans are our homes in the cold void of space, taking us to places beyond our wildest dreams. They show us a universe filled with wonders and mysteries, reminding us of just how small we are, and yet how far we've come. And as we continue our journey among the stars, who knows what new spaceships we'll create, what new worlds we'll discover, and what new mysteries we'll unravel. Space travel, while exciting, is not without its challenges. The moment we leave the comfort of Earth's atmosphere, we are met with a multitude of obstacles that test our mettle, our technology, and our understanding of the universe. First off, there's the rather disconcerting prospect of zero gravity. Here on Earth, We take gravity for granted. It's what keeps our feet on the ground and our world in order. But in the vast expanse of space, gravity isn't quite as reliable. Astronauts must learn to navigate an environment where they can float freely, where simple tasks become complex and where their bodies undergo changes like muscle loss and bone density reduction. Then there's the challenge of radiation. Space is filled with cosmic rays, particles that travel at near light speed, carrying energy that can damage human cells and DNA. This unseen hazard is a constant concern for astronauts and the spacecraft they inhabit. It's why spacecraft are equipped with shielding and why missions are carefully timed to limit exposure. But perhaps one of the most daunting challenges is the psychological aspect of space travel. Imagine being confined in a small space millions of miles from home with only a handful of people for company. The isolation, the confinement, the distance from loved ones, these can take a toll on even the most resilient minds. Astronauts undergo rigorous psychological training to prepare, but the mental challenge remains significant. And let's not forget the basic human needs: food, water, and air. In space, these essentials become complex logistical issues. How to store and prepare food, how to recycle water and air. These are all challenges that must be met and overcome for a successful journey through the cosmos. Despite these challenges, the human spirit of exploration and discovery remains undeterred. We continue to reach for the stars, to push the boundaries of what is known and what is possible. After all, as we often say, space is hard, but that's not going to stop us from exploring it. The future of space travel holds promises of unprecedented discoveries and explorations. As we step into a new era, we're not just looking at the stars, we're planning to visit them. Our sights are firmly set on returning to the moon, and this time, we're planning to stay. Permanent lunar bases could serve as stepping stones, giving us a platform to launch deeper into the cosmos. And let's not forget about our red neighbor, Mars. We've sent rovers to the Martian surface, but now we're preparing for the next big leap: manned missions to Mars. These voyages won't be for the faint-hearted. They'll require courage, perseverance, and a dash of that indomitable human spirit that drives us to explore the unknown. Imagine this: stepping onto an alien world millions of miles from home, surrounded by the red Martian landscape. It's a dream that could soon become reality. But why stop at Mars? The vast expanse of space stretches out before us, filled with countless stars and galaxies. The potential for interstellar travel may seem like a distant dream today, but who knows what tomorrow might bring. With advancements in technology and propulsion, we could one day harness the power of light to propel us to the stars, crossing the immense distances of space at mind-boggling speeds. As we venture forth into the cosmos, we're not just exploring space, we're exploring our own potential. The challenges are enormous, but so too are the rewards. Each new discovery, each step further into the unknown, brings us closer to answering some of the most profound questions. Are we alone? What else is out there? The future of space travel is a canvas, waiting to be painted with the colors of our imagination and the brushstrokes of our ambition. It's a journey of 1,000 light years, and it begins with a single step. As we stand on the precipice of a new era, the cosmos beckons us to explore further and discover more. The future is not set in stone, it's written in the stars. As our journey through the stars draws to a close, one thing is clear: space travel is just the beginning. We've seen the power of rockets, those towering pillars of fire and engineering, launching us into the cosmos. We've marveled at the intricate design of spaceships, our cosmic caravans that carry us through the star-studded expanse of space. We've also acknowledged the challenges that come with such ventures, from the relentless pull of zero gravity to the invisible threat of radiation. Yet these challenges have not deterred us, but have only fueled our determination, our curiosity, and our spirit of adventure. Looking ahead, we see a future teeming with possibilities. We're on the cusp of a new era of space travel, one where we'll return to the moon, set foot on Mars, and maybe even venture beyond. The sky is no longer our limit, it's merely our launch pad. Space beckons us with its infinite wonders and unanswered questions. It invites us to explore, to learn, to dream. It encourages us to push our boundaries and to reach beyond the known into the realm of the unknown. The universe awaits, filled with mysteries yet to be unraveled. So keep reaching for the stars, because the journey is just beginning.